and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum and this we have to redraw it. So as you can see in the question, we have a bigger circle of diameter 120 and then we have small circles in between. So to begin with this sum, first we will draw the biggest circle of diameter 120. So radius as 60. I'll consider a point anywhere on the page and draw the circle. So this is the circle of radius 60 or diameter 120. After drawing this circle, I'll draw the axis line, center axis line, straight line, big gap, small line, gap, big line, passing through the center. As we need to draw the angle given, after drawing this, the angle given is 60 degrees. So I'll take the protractor, keep it and align it on the center as I have done it, and mark an angle of 60 degree. So marking an angle of 60 degree, and through that point, passing through the center, I'll draw again the same center axis line as given in the question itself. So this shows that the circle is divided into 60 degree angle. So on this side also I'll divide the circle and mark an angle of 60 degree. Same as we did on the right side, we'll do it on the left side as well. So our total circle gets divided into 6 equal parts. As the total angle of the circle is 360, 360 divided by 60 will be 6. So each angle is of 60 degree now. Just mark the angle, same as given in the question. I am doing it here. Now for drawing the smaller circles, as you can see in the question, now the whole line, this line, 60 degree line, is divided into 3 parts. So if I divide it into 3 parts, each part will be of 20. So 20, 20 and 20. So if one line is divided into 20, 20, 20, so the radius of each circle will be 20. So diameter is 120, radius is 60. Now this line I'll divide it into 3 parts. So divide by 3 will give me 20. So this distance is 20, as you can see in the question as well. So on compass I'll take radius as 20. First draw the center circle. This distance is 20. Now from here I'll mark the center point. This will be the center point, and from that I'll draw the circle. So now you can see how the 20, 20, 20 distance is there. Same from all the other points, I'll do like that. From here, mark the center point, and through the center point, draw the circle. with this we have done with the figure. So the distance we just calculated. If there are other dimensions, you can calculate the same way. Just marking the diameter and we are done. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.